Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to unblock people on Snapchat. Let's get started. Tap on the Snapchat icon to launch the app on your phone and access the main camera screen. In the top left corner of the screen, you will see your Bitmoji avatar. Tap on it to open your profile. On your profile screen, look to the top right corner and tap on the gear icon to enter settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the blocked option and tap on it. You'll see a list of people you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock and tap the X next to their name. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Tap OK on the confirmation pop-up. That's it. The person is now unblocked and can send you snaps and messages again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.